Today, I'm going to make a ham and sweet potato soup. This is from leftover ham from Thanksgiving. So let's get started on Darlene's table. Going to start with the veggies. Melt this butter a little bit. So I have celery, red and green bell pepper, and onion. I'm going to add the garlic. Saute for a minute or two. Now the flour. Let that flour cook a little bit. I'm going to add the carrots. Not a lot of carrots. And the corn. Not a lot of corn either. And the salt and pepper. This is 4 cups of chicken stock. And 1 more cup. Now we're going to put the sweet potato, cubed sweet potato in, 3½ cups. And I'm going to add the parsley and the dried chives. I put chives instead of basil. I didn't have any dried basil, but I do have some fresh to use later. So I'm going to bring this to a boil and cook it just until the sweet potatoes are done. Okay, I'm also going to add the ham. All right, we're going to let this simmer. I'm going to put the lid on and let this simmer for about 5 minutes and then check to see if the sweet potato is done. Okay, well, I'm going to check that. It's been 5 minutes. I need to check the sweet potato. Oh, that's like just another minute or so, and this is going to be, it'll be ready. Add the milk, 2 cups of milk. And I'm going to start adding the cheddar cheese to melt. This is Tillamook, sharp white cheddar. It really melts well. Sweet potato ham soup. Let's start this new year with a nutritious bowl of sweet potato and ham soup. It's a bit chilly here, finally, and nothing is better on a cold day than a hearty bowl of soup. I'm always on the hunt for good recipes, and this recipe didn't disappoint. First, the sweet potatoes give the soup a natural sweetness and adds a unique flavor profile to the soup, while the ham provides a salty, smoky flavor and texture. A fantastic combination. You should give this recipe a try and treat yourself to a heartwarming bowl of comfort that's as good for your taste buds as it is for your health. That's all for this video. We really appreciate you, and thanks for watching. Darlene's Table.